Here you can see these clips are not showing, even though this option is turned on. The clip is visible in the source monitor, but it's not showing in the program monitor. When this happens, the clip appears darker in the timeline, which means the clip is disabled. Sometimes this can confuse us, why this happens and how to fix it. To enable it again, simply right-click on the clip and check Enable. Now you can see, all the clips are enabled and showing correctly in the program monitor. There is also a faster way to do this using a shortcut. Just select the clip, and press Shift plus Command plus E on Mac, or Shift plus E on Windows. This shortcut also works for audio tracks. Just select the audio clip and press the same shortcut. This is especially helpful when you are working with multiple cameras, because you can disable a single clip instead of disabling the entire layer. And whenever you change your mind, you can easily enable it again by checking Enable. If you face more errors in Premiere Pro, like importer error or project file damaged, check the other tutorials shown on the screen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and see you next time.